How to bring the shortcut of apps on your Android home screen. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video I will simply show you how you can bring the shortcut or applications on your Android home screen. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, shortcuts basically means some of the shortcuts which you see on your main Android home screen, and this is actually our app drawer. So this one right over here is the app drawer, which is our app screen, but our main home screen, which you open after opening up the lock screen, is your home screen where you want to add some shortcuts. If you look at the bottom, these aren't necessarily shortcuts, these are simply some of the favorite tabs on my Android phone. So, however, if you want to add a shortcut and bring some of these apps to your Android home screen as well, I will simply show you how you can do that. The process is mostly similar on all the Android devices. All you have to do is, let's say I want to add this InDriver app, so I will simply long press on it, and then you can find this option which is add to home. When I simply select add to home, it is going to get automatically added to my home screen. As you can see, if I open it, the application is basically going to open up in this case. So I can also go ahead and then drag this to any of the positions I want depending upon my own wish, so I can go ahead and drag them as well. Or else the other way you could do is to simply long press on it and then keep on holding it, and automatically it will take you back to the home screen. As you can see, there are no limits to shortcuts. You can add as many shortcuts as you want on your Android home screen. You could basically go ahead and then remove them, or you could uninstall this application right from this list. So let me repeat the process for all the other shortcuts as well. Let's say I want to add Netflix, I will long press on it, I'll bring it back. Now you can also actually group them together. For example, if I want this to be in the same folder, I will actually group them, and then you can see this folder. I can also set a name for the folder. As you can see in this case, I will go ahead and then simply select a name for the folder and then tap on the done button. I can add basically more apps to this Android shortcuts, so right over here, just like that. And this is how you can add or make shortcuts on your Android home screen. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.